What's up everyone? I am back with another unboxing. Today we will unbox the Oppo F11 Pro. I am so excited to unbox it. So hurry up, let's open the box after the intro. So, here you see I have 6GB 64GB storage version. Let's open it. After open, here's the some letters. And here's the main device. I'm not open it yet because I don't wanna lie to you guys. And then we have the charger. But I think you guys thought this must be USB Type-C cable. But it's not. This is micro USB cable. It's really hurt me. No one want micro USB in 2019. By the way, then we have the power adapter. Yes, this is a fast charger. And then of course we have the headphones. Yes, this phone has 3.5mm headphone jack. So let's boot the device and see what's inside. Here I open the plastic over the phone. Then take this sticker off. This is really cool, so creepy. Oppo F11 Pro on Tuesday made its debut in India, at a launch event in Mumbai. The F11 Pro packs a dual camera setup on the back, which houses a 48-megapixel sensor, like its Xiaomi counterpart. In terms of the design, Oppo has gone with a full-screen look on the front with a pop-up selfie camera and triple color gradient on the back. Oppo F11 Pro sports a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus LCD screen with 19.5:9 aspect ratio and 90.90% screen ratio. It is powered by octa-core MediaTek Helio P70 processor, coupled with 4GB/6GB of RAM, and 64GB/128GB of onboard storage. Oppo F11 Pro will be accompanied by 5GB of Oppo Cloud storage. The company is also touting its HyperBoost tech for speeding up app launch times and optimized performance. The smartphone runs ColorOS 6, based on Android 9 Pie. On the camera front, there is a dual camera setup on the back with a single LED flash. The setup houses a 48-megapixel primary sensor with an f/1.79 lens and a 5-megapixel secondary sensor. In addition, there is a 16-megapixel shooter on the front with f/1.79 lens. Apart from Ultra Night mode, the company is touting a dazzle color mode. Further, there is a 4000 mAh battery with VOOC flash charge 3.0 fast charging, a micro USB port, and rear fingerprint sensor on the F11 Pro. As we mentioned earlier, the Oppo F11 Pro will be going head-to-head with the Redmi Note 7 Pro in the country. The Redmi flagship also features a dual camera setup on the back with a 48-megapixel shooter. Oppo F11 Pro price in India is set at 24,990 rupees for the sole 6GB plus 64GB model launched. The phone will be offered in Aurora Green and Thunder Black color options, starting March 15th. Pre-orders begin from today, via Amazon, Flipkart, Paytm, Snapdeal, as well as select Oppo retail stores. So that's enough for today guys. See you tomorrow. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.